Cicalfate by Avène is a highly regarded skincare product designed specifically to aid in the repair and recovery of compromised skin. This product stands out for its ability to soothe, heal, and protect the skin, making it a favorite among dermatologists and users alike. One of the key components of Cicalfate is its unique blend of ingredients, which includes cicalfate, a compound known for its reparative properties. Sucralfate forms a protective barrier over the skin, allowing it to heal more effectively by preventing further irritation and promoting optimal healing conditions. Another significant ingredient in Cicalfate is the combination of copper sulfate and zinc sulfate. These two minerals have potent antimicrobial properties which help to prevent bacterial growth on the skin. This is crucial for keeping the affected area clean and free from infection, which can impede the healing process. Cicalfate also incorporates Avène's renowned thermal spring water, which is known for its soothing and anti-irritation properties. This water helps to calm the skin, reduce redness, and provide a cooling effect that is particularly beneficial for inflamed or irritated skin. The product is designed to be used on a variety of skin cancers, including cuts, scrapes, burns, and other minor skin irritations. It is also effective for managing post-procedural skin, such as after laser treatments or chemical peeling, providing a supportive environment for skin recovery. One of the standout features of Cicalfate is its gentle formulation, which is suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. It is free from parabens, fragrance, and other potential irritants, ensuring that it can be used safely on delicate skin without causing additional irritation. The texture of Cicalfate is rich and creamy, yet it absorbs well into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. This makes it comfortable to wear even under clothing and ensures that it can be used throughout the day without inconvenience. Cicalfate's effectiveness has been demonstrated in numerous clinical studies. These studies have shown that the product significantly accelerates the healing process, reduces the risk of scarring, and improves overall skin quality in the affected areas. Users often praise Cicalfate for its versatility. It can be used on both the face and body, making it a convenient all-in-one solution for various skin concerns. Whether dealing with dry patches, chafing, or minor wounds, Cicalfate provides comprehensive care. The antimicrobial action of copper and zinc sulfates is particularly beneficial for acne-prone skin. By preventing bacterial growth, Cicalfate helps to reduce the risk of breakouts and can be used as a spot treatment for pimples and other blemishes. Another important benefit of Cicalfate is its ability to restore the skin barrier. The protective layer formed by sucralfate and the moisturizing ingredients help to lock in moisture and protect the skin from external aggressors, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin. The product is also suitable for use on infants and children, making it a family-friendly option for treatment common skin issues like diaper rash, scratches, and insect bites. Its gentle formulation ensures that it is safe for the delicate skin of young children. Cicalfate's packaging is designed to be practical and hygienic. The tube format ensures that the product remains clean and uncontaminated, and it is easy to dispense the right amount without waste. Affordability is another positive aspect of Cicalfate. Despite its premium formulation and effectiveness, the product is reasonably priced, making it accessible to a wide range of consumers seeking quality skincare solutions. Customers' reviews frequently highlight the rapid and visible improvements in skin condition after using Cicalfate. Many users report that their skin feels softer, more comfortable, and shows significant healing within a short period of irregular use. The product's soothing properties are especially beneficial for those with conditions like eczema or dermatitis. Cicalfate helps to calm flare-ups and reduce itching and discomfort, providing relief and promoting healthier skin. The reputation of Avène as a leading skincare brand adds to the trustworthiness of Cicalfate. Avène is known for its commitment to dermatological research and the use of high-quality ingredients, ensuring that its products are both effective and safe. Cicalfate is recommended by dermatologists and skincare professionals worldwide, further validating its effectiveness. Their endorsements are based on both clinical evidence and positive patient outcomes, making Cicalfate a trusted choice for skin repair. The overall experience of using Cicalfate is enhanced by its pleasant application and immediate soothing effects. The product not only aids in healing but also improves the overall comfort and appearance of the skin, making it a valuable addition to any skincare regimen. Finally, the comprehensive approach of Cicalfate in addressing various skin concerns, from minor injuries to chronic skin conditions, making it a versatile and essential product. Its ability to promote healing, protect the skin, and provide comfort sets it apart as a standout skincare solution.